What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, as you guys saw from the title, we are going to be doing an IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus unboxing. Got the box right here. I went ahead and opened it. I did have a little sneak peek, and I am so sorry. I want to apologize to you guys because I wanted to get this video up a lot sooner. I literally got this box like on November 2nd or 3rd, something like that, and I literally wanted to film the day of or the next day, but then I got a really nasty chemical burn on this side of my face. Like, it was really bad, you guys. So I had to give my face a little bit of a break. A little over a week, I had to let it heal and finally back to normal. And then 2 days ago, I had a allergic reaction to a bug bite that I had on my left eye, and I looked like I had gotten punched in the face. So we are just barely getting ourselves back together here. This is literally the first look that I have done in 2 weeks, honestly, and it feels really good to have makeup on again. And as well, as you guys can see, I have a new background setup. I hope you guys like it. I dyed my hair back to the dark side. I feel like the dark side is where it's at. So as you guys can see, I did open it and have a little sneak peek, but here we go. This is how everything looks. So what I noticed in last month's box and other videos I was watching, I think all the other girls that are on PR got the same thing. So I'm assuming I got the same thing as them as well. So this month's theme is Be Present, and I'm sorry for my nails, you guys. They are going through it. They're a little stained from when I dyed my hair. So it says Be Present. It says #blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful, which is so nice, especially with everything that's going around. There's so many blessings as well. So it says beautiful things come in little packages too, like your Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. So dive in and discover amazing new products to inspire your beauty looks. If you guys are new to IPSY Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus, there is also a third tier. There is, I believe it's Glam Bag Deluxe. If I'm not mistaken, I will have all of the tiers and information here on the side of the screen for you guys if you guys are interested. Alright, so let's get started with the Glam Bag, and it is $12 and you get 4 to 5 deluxe or full-size products to try. And I really like this bag. I think it's really nice. It's like a faux leather material. I think I'm gonna give this one to my mom. I think she would really like this one. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, the first thing I see right here is from Tatcha, and Tatcha is so expensive. So this is really nice, and it's a decent size to try. And this is the Deep Cleanse. I love this color of the packaging as well. Super pretty. So this is a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. Right up my alley. And directions is to apply to wet face, avoid the eyes. And this is 0.85 fluid ounce, and it is good for 6 months. So this is a really nice, decent size product right there to try from Tatcha. The next thing, oh my goodness, I had no idea that Anastasia was in Glam Bag. That is so exciting. You guys know, if you guys have been around for a while, you guys know I love Anastasia. I'm on their PR as well, and I'm actually wearing one of these glosses right now on my lips. This one is from their newer collection, and this is in Clouds. So pretty, and I just love their glosses. And this is in Moon Jelly. I think this one came out earlier this year. So this is so pretty. It's like an iridescent. The camera doesn't do it justice whatsoever, but this is so pretty, and this is so awesome that they included this in the Glam Bag. All right, I am very excited with this one so far. So the next product we get here is from Glow Recipe. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try Glow Recipe. So this is the Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. Oh, and this is really cute. You get 0.3 fluid ounces of this, so not a lot of product, but it's decent enough for you to try and see if you want to, you know, purchase the full size or a travel size, but this is so nice. I cannot wait to try that. And then the next product we have here is from IPSY Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. I have heard of IPSY. I don't think I've ever tried anything from them, so this is exciting. Another mascara. In last month's bag, we got a mascara from Bobbi Brown, which I really enjoy, so I can't wait to try this one as well. And then the last product that you get in the bag is from Tarte, and this is their sister brand, I believe, Sugar Rush. And it's this, I think this is a full size, and this is a Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. It's super pretty. I love this packaging, and this is in Fresh Pressed. So here is the packaging. It's super pretty. I love the pink and purple. And this is like a grip, I believe. It's really nice. And then, oh wow, this doe foot applicator is really big. It smells so yummy, like sugar. So yeah, that is everything that we got in this month's Glam Bag. I'm really impressed with the Glam Bag for November. So let's go ahead and see what we got in the Glam Bag Plus. So the first thing that I am seeing, I see a lot of brushes this month. So we have this one from the Perfect 10 MOTD. I'm not sure what brand this is. I really wish in the near future they include price listings and the name brands, so that way I can, you know, list them to you guys. So this is what this brush looks like. It looks really nice. It's very fluffy. It's like a face brush. I don't want to get it dirty. But yeah, lots of brushes, you guys. I have received so many brushes this month and last month. I am set for a couple of years, I believe. So I have this brush right here, and then we received some more brushes, and these are eye brushes, and these are from the brand Farrah, I believe. It says be beautiful, be you. Oh, that's so nice. So we have these right here. I'm not going to open them just because I don't want this video to be a million years long, but I will let you guys know on my Instagram. So the next product we have here is from Trestique. I believe that's what it's called. I have heard of this brand before, and this is the Good Vibes Mascara Curler Plus Lash Enhancing Mascara. So this sounds interesting, and this is in Icelandic Black Lacquer. So this is the packaging right here. It's very interesting. I've never seen something like this before. It says flip down to curl. Oh, that's cool. So you guys, you go in there. It is pretty small though to grab your lashes, so you have to be careful with that. I think that's one side. And where is the mascara? Wrong. This kind of reminds me of the Better Than Sex Too Faced wand. I really like these type of wands because I feel like they give you good like volume. This is very interesting. I'm very curious to try this, so I will let you guys know how I feel about that. And the next product we have in here is another skincare product, which is from Kate Somerville, which is also very pricey, and this is the Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Oh, so we got another moisturizer. So we have the Glow Recipe, and now we have the Kate Somerville. I love this packaging. It's so pretty. I love lavender, one of my favorite colors. So let's see, we have here. It smells nice. I can't wait to try this. Next, I believe it's also from the brand Farrah, and we got 3 liquid lipsticks right here. These beautiful like berry tones, beautiful fall shades. So these are the beautiful shades that we received. The shades are Farrah, Cocoa, and Tiffany. So I'm just going to show you the shade Cocoa, which I think is such a beautiful shade for the fall time. Who doesn't love a brownie like fall lip? It's so beautiful. It smells really nice. So let's go ahead and swatch it a little bit here. Wow, super pigmented. Look at that, you guys. Alright, and the last thing that we received in our Glam Bag Plus is this little eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. I do have an eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss like from 2 years ago, the Flamingo one, which was so pretty, and I still have it. I haven't used it in a while, but so I'm not very familiar with her eyeshadows, but I'm so excited to have this one. Let me go ahead and open it and see what the shades look like. Ooh, I also love that the packaging is that soft matte finish. Ooh, so these are the shades right here. I love that coral pop. Literally a coral pop, like a pop of color. And I love that it has a little mirror. Super cute. I love these shades. So you have, like I said, a pop of color, which is that pop of coral. And then you have these very warm neutral type of shades. We have one shimmer shade in here, which is called Champagne, and this is going to look beautiful all over the lid or on the brow bone. So beautiful. I almost forgot, so the very last thing that you have in your Glam Bag Plus is this drawstring bag, like last month's a bag, and it's very similar in design as the Glam Bag. So yeah, that is everything, you guys, that you get in the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for November. So honestly, I would have to say that I am very impressed with the Glam Bag, which is only $12, and you get so many great products, and especially all high-end like Tatcha and Tarte and Anastasia and Glow Recipe. Like honestly, that is so amazing. Even though they're trial sizes, they're a great way to try them, and especially if you really enjoy them, you can buy them in full size. So yeah, I'm very impressed with the Glam Bag. I think they're both really nice. And then I'm very impressed as well with everything that came in the Glam Bag Plus, which is only $25. And you get all of these amazing, you know, full-size products like Kate Somerville, Violet Voss, Tristique, all these other type of brands and other new ones that are new to you to try as well. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed me unboxing the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of November. I cannot wait for December's. It's literally around the corner. I cannot believe it, and it's already almost Thanksgiving. Like wow, I'm so excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. If you guys like this video, like I said, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will have IPSY directly linked down below so you guys can check them out. I will also have all of my other social media links down below so you guys can follow me on there. And I don't have anything else to say except I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.